everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope everything's going well. So for today's makeup look, I have for you this very glam and dramatic makeup look. It's a little colorful, but it's out of the box for me. I like the combination of these colors and I hope that you like it as well. This makeup look is so simple to do. It looks hard, but it's not. It's totally fine and I really hope that you like this makeup look. So now let's get started. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and like this video if you did. So the first thing you're gonna do is apply a eyeshadow base. Again, I'm gonna use this soft Ochre paint pot by MAC because I like it, especially to work with colorful shades. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of this product all over the lid. To create this makeup look today, I'm going to use the Bonbons palette. I love the colors of this palette. It's amazing and I like the quality as well. So I'm going to apply first in my crease the shade called Mocha, this medium brown eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply this shade in my crease using this little fluffy brush. Now I'm gonna create just a black base in the other corner of my eyes to layer the brown eyeshadow on top. So I'm gonna use the Wicked Gel Liner by Sigma. On top of the black base, I'm gonna use this darker reddish brown. And now I'm gonna apply this pink shade just beside of the brown eyeshadow. And now to highlight my tear duct, I'm gonna apply this gold pigment. This is called Pure Gold by Too Faced Cosmetics. I love the shine of this pigment. It's so beautiful, has a little bit of glitter inside and looks stunning. So I'm gonna apply all over the lid as well, just where it stops here, the pink eyeshadow. So I just finished my eye makeup look. I do have my skin done already, so I have a little bit of highlighter and now I'm gonna just apply blush and bronzer. So I'm gonna use this Sweetie Pie and oh my god, I just have applied my fake lashes as well. I'm using Noelle by Huda Beauty. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of this baby in my cheeks. And to conclude this look, I'm gonna apply a nude lipstick. I'm gonna use this beautiful nude right here. It's the best nude for my skin shade, and this is Child Star by Too Faced Cosmetics. This is the Melted Matte. And right on top, I'm gonna apply the lip strobe by Huda Beauty, and this is the shade Snobby. I love this color. It's very shimmery, has a lot of sparkles here inside, and it's so beautiful. I think it matches with my makeup look, so I'm gonna apply a little bit just in the center of my lips. that's it, my lovies. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you like this makeup tutorial. I love how the look turned out, and I think as this is colorful, it's very hard to match with the clothes and everything, but with the right look it will be so cool. I really like the colors, I really love the combination, and if you can change the colors as you like, of course. So that's it for this video, and I see you later in the next tutorials. Bye!